how are you able to add sticky add to cart button on your website. If you are looking for this video, then this video is for you. Welcome to e-commerce. So in this video, I will explain you how you will be able to add sticky add to cart bar or sticky add to cart button just like this one. It has a lot of options like we are able to adjust the title size, the pricing size, the badge, the product image. We are able to select different variants, update the quantity and have add to cart button. We are able to change it this icon, and from here we have an option to close this. I have custom coded this sticky add to cart bar for you so that you can use it. It's completely free and it's responsive on mobile as well. If you are looking to add this one, then this video is for you. So first thing first, what we have to do this, we have to be on your Shopify admin. This is the home page, and then you have to click on this online store, and then you have to click on this theme button. Once you click on it, all the themes are listed over here. Okay, so what we will do is we will add this sticky add to cart button on our Dawn theme, but this will work on all of the themes. It what matters that which theme you are using, it will work on every theme. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first thing first, we have to click on these three dots, and then we have to duplicate the theme. Make sure you have taken a backup copy of your theme, so that if you write any wrong code or an input any wrong thing, your code won't get break, and you will simply publish back from this backup copy. I already created a backup copy, so I will not create it. Then the second step is that click on this three dot and then click on this edit code button. Once clicked on it, it will open the theme editor coding file. Okay, so theme editor coding file has been opened. What we have to do is we have to be on our this section part. We have to right click on it and add the new file. And we have to write the name like sticky ATC button. This name can be, you can write any name, but after writing this name, this dot liquid extension is compulsory and it should be same in any case. Okay, after that hit the enter button and it will add an empty file. Okay, so the next step number 3 is that we have to be on this dog file. I have created it and will leave its link within the video descriptions. You can just click on that link and you will be at here in this page. Simply select all this code, copy it. I have used Control C, go back to this theme editor and paste all the code over here. After pasting it, hit the save button. Once the file gets saved, we have to go back to Shopify theme. From here, we have to go to our product page to add sticky and add to cart bar. Click on it. So to add to cart bar, what we have to do is just check. If I scroll down, no add to cart bar is appearing at the bottom. What we have to do is we have to click on this add section, and then we have to type sticky ATC ecom ranks. Simply click on it and it will be added at the bottom. Okay, you are also able to put that bar to top of the website here. And if I scroll down, but it's suggested that you should add it at the bottom. This is best for conversion rate optimization. Simply hit the save button after adding it, and I will guide you through how are you able to customize this bar. Okay, if I scroll down, it's working perfectly fine. We have an option for visibility, like we are able to hide it on desktop and show it only on the mobile version. So you see it's not showing on the desktop, but it's working on the mobile version. So let me go back and toggle it off to switch back its display on desktop version. Okay, if I scroll down, it has an option like when it will show. Like if I move scroll down and add to cart button gets disappear, it will start showing just right after this add to cart button um, displays gets off. So it starts showing right after it. If I switch this option to this one, like after scrolling to X pixels, it will work according to this. Like if it scroll to 1500 pixels, then this bar will start showing. So it's pretty easy. You can plug and play with it to customize it. Okay, so this option is for this button. You can close this button. If I scroll down, there is an option for the bar position already communicated above. And if I scroll down, there is an option to change its this bar color. Okay, so it's not looking good. Let's switch this to this one. And if I scroll down, there is an option for this are the padding, the spacing, all options has been given. The gaps between element, like if I increase this gap, the gap between this element has been increased. If I increase the vertical padding, the vertical padding has been increased. Okay, if I scroll down, there is an option to add the border. So let me increase this thickness or change its color. Okay, so the border is appearing perfectly. If I scroll down, there is an option for slide animations. Like if I scroll, it's appearing with smooth bounce. We can change it. Like from here, we will change it slow and easing out. Now the appearance gets changed. It's a little bit nice animation. If I scroll down, there is an option for product image. If you don't want to show it, simply switch it off and the product image won't get show. If let me turn back to it on and then increase its size, we are able to increase its size. We are able to add the radius to this product image. And if I scroll down, there is an option to increase its title size. This is pretty easy to plug and play, and you are able to customize it. And from here, we are able to show the uh, show this, like this have two styles, so we are able to show two variants. And if I use this option, then if for example this product has an option for colors as well other than the styles, so it will show in two drop downs, not single. If I scroll down, there is an option to show the quantity selector. And if I scroll down, there is an option to change the text of add to cart bar and change show this icon within the button. And if I scroll down, there are further option to adjust the further colorings. And if I scroll to the bottom, there is an option for the mobile layout, like on mobile whether it's show on a single row, or right now it's showing on multi row, which is taking a lot of space. So there is an option to show it within single row, but it might gets uh, bad because of a lot of things within one line. So it's suggested to use it multi-row if you have a lot of options, just like this in case. And if you want to use single row, you have to switch some of this option on, and then it will show perfectly on the mobile version as well. Okay, so this is the quick tutorial on how you are able to add sticky add to cart button to your desktop version or on the mobile version. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, leave the comment below and I will record a video on that topic as well. Thanks for watching.